Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'll be describing one small movie recommendation system by using Node.js module, Node.js NPM module cosine similarity. So at first we will see how cosine similarity work. So in Node.js for using cosine similarity, we have one NPM which is known as cosine similarity. So at first we have to install cosine similarity by using the command npm I cosine similarity. Now let's see what is the mathematical aspect of cosine similarity.
As in the previous slide, you have already seen how we can implement cosine similarity in mathematical aspect. So this is basically the dot product of two vector and divided by the modulus of those two vector. That is the value of cos theta. Now in this slide, we will see how we can implement the same in Node.js code. As you see, we have already taken an array of object. It's a movies array which is containing two key. One is title and another one is genre. So in the output, we will pass the movie title, and based on the movie title, it will recommend us the movie based on that particular movie genre. Let's see how we can implement this in our Node.js code.
So for achieving this result, we will follow three steps. So in the first step, we will make one unique genre array and we will make an array which is containing unique genre name. In the second step, we will make a global function which is known as vectorization. So that vectorization function is responsible for making genre name or the movie title as in 0-1 format. And at the third step, we will make our final function that is known as recommendation function, that is our main function. So let's see the first step one. So in the first step, we basically make a unique genre array. So how we can achieve that? So for that, we have to use set function of JavaScript. So set basically removes the duplicate genre name, and after that we will use the flat map to get an array of unique genre name. Because as you see in the array of a movies array, there is title and the genre name. So multiple movies have the same genre name. So we need the unique genre name. So we have to remove the duplicate. So for that we are using the set and then the flat map.
The second step, that is the making of global vectorization function. So this function is basically responsible for making the genre value in a 0-1 format instead of string, right? So for that we have to make this vectorization function and as a parameter we have to pass that particular movie array or that particular movie title. So for that we are using the map function of JavaScript, and we will do a map with the unique genre, and we will check the genre we are checking, and in the map the particular genre exists, both the genre name is equal or not. So if it equals, it will assign that value as 1, otherwise it will assign the value as 0. So that is the basic functionality of the vectorization function. And here we come with the last step, that is the recommendation function. That is the last step of this programming. So in the recommendation function, we will pass the particular title of that movie, and at first we will do a checking the title we have passed. So for that we have to pass one filter method of JavaScript. So through the filter method we will do filter inside for the movies array, and inside the movies array we will check that particular title exists or not. If it doesn't exist, we will pass a null array. So this is basically for null checking. So now if we found that particular movie exists, then we have to do one filter, and in the filter we have to do the title with the movies which is already containing and the title we are passing. So we will basically remove that particular movie which we are passing through the recommendation function, because the movie we are passing, if we also keep that particular movie name inside the array, then there is not a possibility, then this is obvious, it will recommend itself, right? And we don't want that. We want the new name which is a recommendation of that particular movie. So for that we have to remove that particular name, particular movie title, I mean complete that key or that object from the inside the movies array. After that we will proceed further. So for that we will do that same map function, and inside the map here we are passing two keys. One is title and the second one is the cosine similarity. So here in cosine similarity key we will see that the npm which I have already installed, that is npm I cosine similarity, and we containing this cosine similarity in a value called cosine similarity. In the cosine similarity we have to pass two parameters. Two parameters should be the target to the in a vector format. Both of the one is the target vector and one is the the vector we want to compare. So in the first vector we will do the targeted vector. So targeted vector means here we will pass that particular recommended movie title inside that vectorization function. It will transfer that particular vector in a 0-1 format, and apart from that we will pass that original movie genre where the each genre will come, and that way I will also pass it inside that recommendation function, inside the cosine similarity parameter, right? And you will see in the result it will show you the similarity. So as you see, the recommendation movie, we have passed the recommendation movie as Forrest Gump, and here we see the similarity as 0.999% for the Titanic movie, and for the rest it is 0.4%. So 0.999% means it is approximately nearly equals to 1. So with the movie recommendation Forrest Gump, the most similar movie is Titanic, and the rest similarity is less. So based on that, now you have to run this code in your system to check whether this is working on your system or not, and you can pass any title name which is already exist in the movie array, and from there you can also check, and you will see that similarity is getting changed with the movie name. So this is a small movie recommendation system, and I think this video is helpful for you. For more such videos and for more such tips, please follow and subscribe to my channel.